Hey guys, it's Dom Nightingale. Welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm going to teach you again another video, I know, how to do basic yoga. So today this will be fun. Don't worry, I'll give you both perspectives from this level and from floor level, so it'll be fine. I'll just do it over again. That's all. So I thought to teach you like some easy, simple yoga techniques and yoga routine so that you can get a feel for what it is, and if that intrigues you, then go ahead, sign up to a class, go for it. Most of them are at gyms, but sadly because of pandemic, gyms are not happening at the moment, so therefore you need to just do what you can really for now and do however you can for fitness. I don't know, maybe some gyms are open, but I have not been outside, so how am I meant to know? Don't take my word for it. Anyway, the first position that I would like to teach you is neutral. Neutral is standing and it's parallel in dance. The second position is known as the tree, and this is what it looks like. You can't see my bottom half, but you're on one leg like a flamingo. One of them is like high up. Doesn't matter which one. Just whichever one you feel comfortable with. For me, my landing is the right. So yeah, left leg goes up. And my foot touches my knee. Not on the front, at the side. Then your arms are above, like so. Like a pyramid at the top. So yeah, that's the tree. Another one, which is easier to transition from tree, it's called Warrior 2. And it's out to the side. Horizontal. Your legs are like slightly bent, because you need to have soft knees for this. And your arms are exactly straight on the horizontal, as you can see. Then you rotate your body by pivoting on the balls of your feet, and then from here you can take it up like a ballerina pose, arms straight up, or you can put your hands slightly inwards, and this is known as the warrior or warrior 1. Then you take it back. Let's go back to neutral stance. Another one that is quite easy to learn is called the downward dog. For this, make sure you've got enough space. Put your arms down, all fours are on the floor. And just keep your head down and make sure it's all flat. You should be creating an upside down V shape. So yeah. Then you can take it forward to warrior stance, or you can go from downward dog by dropping your feet and dropping your legs and go straight to upward dog. Be careful not to be dizzy at this. And then you can rock back from upward dog to child. And this is when your legs are like kind of folded over and your head is down and arms are straight out. There's a slight difference between upward dog and cobra. So yeah. The difference is that upward dog is straight arms and cobra is bent arms. Yeah. So yeah, that's just how it is. Anyway, let's show you. Should it be this side? I think it would be better the other side. There we go. What you do with this, so neutral, parallel, feet forwards, Simple as. Tree. So you like a flamingo. Your foot on the side of your knee and arms up. For warrior, you take your leg back for warrior 2. That's warrior 2, arms straight. And you just take it up. It's the same leg stance for warrior 1. So now downward dog, this is what it looks like. All of you on the floor. All down. And then drop the legs to upward dog. And then drop your arms for cobra. Head up. So yeah. Rock back. For child. The last position that you need to know is Namaste, which is you go back to neutral, you breathe in, arms rises, comes down, Namaste. Thank you all for joining my class. Thank you all for participating if you've done this at home. And thank you for listening to my instructions. If you have any suggestions for videos or song covers, then please feel free to put them in the comment section down below. If you like this video, then please give this a like. And like always, see you in the next video. Again, this one is a Pass My Sight project. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you. Good night.